I'm here with a friend of mine, Matt Cox. He's in Polokwane, and you should check this guy out. He's doing welding. Matthew, how long have you been in business?
20 odd years now. Well, not 20. Well, I've been doing welding for 20 years.
All right.
22 years now. In the business since 2013.
2013.
Yeah.
That's a long time.
Yeah.
Matthew is one of those guys that you want to know. He's in Polokwane. If you ever want aluminium welding, stainless
steel, aluminium welding, fabrication, purge pipe welding, aluminium, some cases, repair welding of pipes, aluminium castings, cast iron, every type of repairs, but a lot of fabrication as well. Companies like Coke and smaller companies, guys who come in, walking past, customers, all that kind of stuff.
Yeah, it's great. So I'm going to do a tour of his shop. He invited me, and my son is doing his welding apprenticeship with this gentleman. He's a very kind gentleman. I've known Matthew for about 5 or 6 years, but stay tuned because I'm going to do a tour of his shop soon, and I want to see how they are doing the job and so on. But everywhere I go, people talk about this guy. So if you want to check him out, I'll put his telephone number in the description or in the comments.
Thanks, guys.